Hello again, this is Richard Sace, aka Misty Ricardo. Today I'm at Tilla Balti house in Astwood Bank, or near Redditch. And I'm delighted to be joined by Helal Chowdry, who is the chef and owner here. He's going to show us how he cooks a lamb Tikka Dhansak. So away you go.
Half spoon.
So about a half spoon, that's about 2 tablespoons, 30 millilitres.
So one make one first.
Yes, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
The chef was saying before that a lot of the oil comes from the base gravy, so he doesn't start off a curry with much. And now he's putting
That's
in
normal curry,
yeah.
not extra.
Yeah.
We put normal.
So in this curry he's putting what, about 2 tablespoons and a half of garlic paste, and he's putting in about a teaspoon of kasuri methi, and he's cooking a little bit slower for the purposes of the video. And normally the heat would be higher. Yeah, and now he's putting in the tomato paste, which is
That's
he uses.
we put more.
Yeah, good. I like more. Yeah, that's fine. And he's using white tower tomato paste puree, which has been diluted a bit.
Now little bit Balti paste.
So he's adding some Patak's Balti paste just for a little bit of background flavour. It's interesting you use that in quite a few curries, don't you? Part of your signature flavour, I suppose.
Oh. Now mixed powder.
So in with about 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons of mixed powder. He's got the usual suspects.
More or just normal?
Oh, for chili powder, I'll have
normal,
a bit more than that, please, because I like it quite spicy, and that's extra hot chili powder. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. And in the mixed powder, chef was telling me it's just the usual suspects really: coriander, cumin, turmeric, madras chili powder, paprika, and a little bit of garam masala, I believe. And he's just going to quench the spices just with a little bit of water, and that's to allow them to cook through, give them more time to cook without sticking and burning. And the chef normally cooks on a higher heat for this. So it'd be good to see you put the heat back up as though you were cooking at full speed.
Now
Yeah.
sugar. You like just normal or?
No, less please.
Less.
A
Yeah.
bit less than that, please. About 2/3 of that. Yeah, just that. That's fine. No more than that.
We use lot of.
That's
lemon
okay.
juice, that's
Plenty
why.
of lemon juice in a Dhansak. Yeah. Superb.
Now pineapple. We squeeze.
Yep.
Because sauce go inside the
I see.
pineapple. That's why.
Yep.
Now
Heat up high now. And in with the
dal.
dal. Not much dal you're using, is that?
No.
No.
Some people use more, but we normally use. Which way we know? If you
Yep.
want more, I can put more.
No, that's fine. I like it as it's been recommended.
Okay.
Andy here was telling me about your Dhansak is renowned throughout the region.
Now Andy special.
And that's, in case you missed it, is a special masala mix that the chef makes and adds to some curries. I'm going to try and get the recipe off him.
This is about 10 pieces lamb tikka.
So lamb tikka, which has been pre-cooked obviously in the tandoor.
Expensive than diamond nowadays.
I know, lamb, so expensive. So lovely, it's a nice high heat, and you've got the,
Now it's ready.
yep,
Put that gravy. Yeah.
yep.
Now anybody can.
So now in
Andy
with
son can do it. Just 1.5 spoon.
about 1.5 ladles of both this
Yeah.
base gravy.
Now our tea time, leave it low, slowly cook.
Yeah, and let it slowly
have
cook for a
your-
while. Cool.
You want
Ti-
one?
Time for a cup of tea.
Onion bhaji, try.
A little taste of onion bhaji. Mmm. Right, so that's been a few minutes later with minimal stirring. The chef has been cooking it slowly for the purposes of demonstration, but he's whacked the heat up now just to sort of finish it off, let it reduce down a bit more.
when we have time, we use this pineapple juice to little bit.
Yeah. So the chef's put in a little bit of pineapple juice there.
Now it's ready.
And now it's ready. And a little bit of
Little salt because that one is sour. Sweet sour.
a little bit of extra salt, just a tiny bit.
Now it's ready.
And some coriander. So let's plate up. Right, let's have a taste of this lamb Tikka Dhansak with pineapple, I must say, which I do like.
Try one lamb tikka.
Smells and looks amazing.
How is the lamb tikka, alright?
The lamb is
Soft and
very,
tender.
very tender.
That's good.
Very.
This is the main thing. If soft and tender, then curry will be good.
It is. That's absolutely delicious. I'm very glad I made this choice for dinner. Well, thanks for watching, and thank you very much to Helal Chowdry and his great team here.
And my team.
Let's show the team.
Come everybody here. Our group.
Oh, what's your name? Shahil.
Shakil.
Shakil, sorry. And handing over.
S-A-N-H-I-L.
This is Helal, the head chef and owner. And here we have
Tandoori chef.
Tandoori chef.
Hussein.
Hussein.
Jay
Tandoori chef. Very nice to meet you all, and thank you for having me. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon. Come down to Tilla Balti in Astwood Bank near Redditch. You won't be disappointed.